Namah Shivaya. Respected Amma, teachers, and my dear friends, a very happy World Environment Day. I am Dishita from 3rd class, reminding you on this day that we have to enhance our efforts to conserve our environment. Conservation of environment is important in saving and helping both animals and trees. We know human activities have direct impact on the climate. Saving natural environment should be done to make the world a better place to live. Like planting trees bring rainfall, which help in agriculture, stops soil erosion and floods. Healthy environment helps in the retaining certain animal species and promotes biodiversity. At last, I will say we cannot be healthy in an unhealthy environment. So, we have to conserve the environment for our own health and future. Thank you. Om Namah Shivaya.
Today I will start my speech by remembering the great environmentist Sundarlal Bahugun, who taught India to hug the trees. We are violencing towards our earth. We become butchers towards our nature. Yes, this once is told by Sundarlal Bahugun in his interview. Yes, it's really very true. In 1800, the world population was only 1 billion, but now it became more than 7 billion. It continues to rise. The more world population means it's a great demand for food, water and shelter and natural resource. For fulfilling his demand, the man is exploiting a natural resource by cutting trees for building factories, houses and growing crops. It leads to global warming. Factories are also polluting water, air and the marine lives are struggling from it. The toxic releases from factories are effective to ocean that marine lives are struggling. The natural resource which as man is using is going to end one day. So we should use it very carefully and conserve it for our next generation. Thank you.
Nurture the nature so we can have a better future. Every small deed of ours matters and has a big impact on our environment. Avoiding plastic bags is very important because it can ruin the beautiful oceans and ponds and harm aquatic animals and human beings. So from now on we should use jute and paper bags, or using recycled plastic bags is okay too. Thank you. Om Namah Shivaya.
Saving of our environment from spoiling is called environmental conservation. Environmental conservation is preservation and management of natural resources. Life is not imaginable without natural air, water and sunlight. Practice to save our environment.
Why we are celebrating our World Environmental Day on June 5th? To raise awareness about environmental. Raise awareness for environmental issues like global warming, marine pollution, human pollution and protection. Thanks for giving me opportunity to express my concern regarding
environmental is the surrounding where we do live, resource and flourish. It consists of all the materials, living things and non-living things. We should try to avoid using exhaustible resource like coal, petroleum,
natural gas, etc. Thank you.
say no to plastic and switch to eco-friendly activities.
Our environment consists of natural resources like soil, water, and air. Animals and plants are also the part of our environment. Fresh air, pure water, fertile soil, clean surrounding are the things of good, healthy environment.
Green and clean atmosphere is important to live a peaceful and healthy life. We must stop and avoid using poly and plastic bags and prefer eco-friendly items to save the atmosphere. We can easily save our environment for the next generation in several ways. By accepting and adopting a simple lifestyle, promote digital technology will save more papers that are made from natural resources like wood. Please stop pollution and save the environment. Thank you.